Dumpster rental service in Mulberry, Florida. Looking for a reliable dumpster rental service in Mulberry, Florida? Dumpster Depot proudly provides affordable, dependable dumpster rentals for residential and commercial projects. Whether you're cleaning out your garage, managing a renovation, or working on a job site, our dumpsters offer the perfect solution. We assist homeowners, contractors, and business owners keep their spaces clean and organized. Our rental process is easy, efficient, and designed to fit your schedule. We provide flexible options in various dumpster sizes to meet your project's needs. We guarantee timely delivery and pickup so you can stay focused on the task. Our team ensures each dumpster is placed with care and picked up promptly when you're finished. We value communication and strive to provide customer service that exceeds expectations. There are no hidden fees and unnecessary delays, just reliable waste removal when needed. We're proud to serve the Mulberry community with solutions that make cleanup easier and faster. Every project is unique, and we're here to help you find the right dumpster every time. Call us at 863-330-0133 and get started with a rental that fits your timeline and budget. Dumpster Depot is Mulberry's trusted partner for dumpster rentals.